Welcome back to the Techie Blossom channel. I am Pratik Sharma. We have come a long way in the last two videos. If you are directly coming onto this video, I recommend you to watch the 0, 1 and 2 parts as well because that lays down the foundation on which further topics depend. I recommend watching the video till the end and do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. So far, we have seen the core foundation of the Bloc state management library that involved Qubit and Bloc. In this video and future such videos, we will cover one Bloc widget at a time. So today, we will see BlocBuilder. One more thing that I want you to know before we start with the features of the Flutter Bloc package is, I will use Bloc as a term here to explain, which refers to both Bloc and a Qubit. In all of these widgets, you can use Qubit as well. So let's get started with BlocBuilder. If you have watched my movie app series, then you might know that we have used BlocBuilder a lot. So I will use an example of the app to showcase the use of BlocBuilder. The BlocBuilder widget is the most used in the Bloc library because it solves very common use cases of updating the state of a widget or a screen based on an event. Do you know? The Stream Builder widget works on a stream, and whenever there is a new value in the stream, it rebuilds the widget that is returned from the builder. Similarly, the BlocBuilder takes a block, and whenever there is a change in the state of a block, which is a stream itself, it rebuilds the widget returned from the builder. The builder should always return a widget. The block attribute is optional here. You can give instance of a block here. The question is when it is needed to provide a block here and when it's not. And what happens if you don't provide a block here? When you have provided a block from ancestors, you need not give a block instance here because the BlocBuilder will perform a lookup in the tree and find the instance for you. But when you have a single widget where you have initialized a block, then you should supply it the block explicitly. The builder will run whenever there is a state change. Sometimes you might want to skip UI updates for some states and build UI or update UI only for some states. You can do that by using buildWhen. The buildWhen function takes the previous and current state. The builder will be called if buildWhen returns true. Considering the example of the movie app, there are 4 types of login state: login initial, login success, logout success, and login error. But for this specific UI element, we only need UI to update when the state is login error. And that's it. That is all you need to know about BlocBuilder widget from the Flutter Bloc library. This small widget can do wonders for you. It will always refresh the UI reactively for you because it listens to the stream of states. So this is it for this video. So just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we will see Bloc Listener. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.